Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your photos look like they came out of a photo booth using this CapCut effects. So here I'm going to show you how you can use the CapCut effects to add those classic photo booth effects in here. So what you need to do is just import your photos into CapCut. So for example, I'm going to use this photos right here. Now you can just click on effects. If you're using CapCut PC, you can just click on it and then search for the keyword photo booth, and then you can choose this one right here from photo booth effects. Click on it and click on the plus button to make it apply to your photos. I'm going to shorten it a little bit, and in here you can adjust the scale. You can adjust the speed of the effects, and you can preview it by clicking on a play button, so it will look like this. So guys, that's pretty much all. That's how you can use the photo booth effects in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.